Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, hey, hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budget and paying off our debt and mind our business. Not necessarily in them 4 orders, but the 4 things we like to do, child. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave your comment, and share this with a friend, family, and a foe, because we love all of them, okay? But as you guys can see, we're going over our 3rd quarter goals. So without further ado, child, let's get well into the video. Okay, y'all, so I zoomed y'all in so y'all can see up close and personal what we gonna be talking about, what we gonna be writing, y'all. And I know some of y'all gonna be like, girl, it's August 16th, it's the middle of the August 15th, August 16th, it's the middle of the month in August. We already in month 2. What is you doing, baby girl, baby boy? Okay, listen, late, but we still gonna do what needs to be done. So I wrote out these goals because even though I'm doing this budget late, I still have the second half of August, and I also have September that's going to be out there, you know, which September is a awesome month for me to, a full month for me to do all of these goals and have the opportunity to do this. So even though it's late, it's not never, y'all. And so I did want to continue and make sure I did complete my 3rd quarter goals because this is very important to me. So yeah, I want to make sure that I'm giving myself something to look forward to, especially in a new space, new place, like, yeah. So anyways, we have 6 goals that we're going to be working on today. It's not going to be a long video, not going to be too much. I'm going to talk about some of them so that you guys know exactly my mindset with why I'm choosing these. And then we're going to go to the next one and then, you know, boom, bada bang. So starting off with the first goal that I have, and I did number them 1 through 6. Okay, so the first goal that I have, maximize no spend days. So this seems like such a small thing to write on here, and it should be something that is easily accomplished, but baby child, baby girl, baby boy, if you know, you know. This is something that takes dedication, takes commitment, is very specific, that you gotta watch out for and be intentional with. And so that is what I'm trying to do, especially being the fact that I don't have to pay for housing. That's a lie, I still have my mortgage, but I don't have to pay for, you know, a whole bunch of different stuff, and I'm being fed, so I don't have to pay for food. So I do have that opportunity to not be going outside, and then I'm living in a dorms, so I don't need a lot of stuff, and I bought majority of the stuff that I need. So that's what I say, like, I want to maximize my no spend days because this is the perfect place and perfect opportunity for me to do that. And so yes, I do have no spend that I do want to maximize. So that is the first goal that I have. Eat at the dining facility. So being a member of the military and also being in the location that I'm in, I do live in the dorms, and in the dorms I also eat at the DFAC, which is a dining facility. So they do take out a portion of the funds that do come from my check for me to eat at the dining facility. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I maximize the hell out of how much I eat out of that dining. I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, child. And if I'm not gonna be there during one of the times that they're open for breakfast or lunch or dinner, then I'm gonna make sure that I get a snack or something. I maximize it too much, okay? But I do maximize how much I eat at the dining facility, and I want to continue maximizing that because the more I eat at the dining facility is the more no spend days that I have, because they provide, again, breakfast, lunch, dinner, they provide snacks, they provide fruits, and so I have all the things that I would need. At this point, child, I think I am robbing the dining facility the way how I'll be eating regularly, and I'll be eating good. So eat at the DFAT because it's so easy to like go and eat at like Popeyes or Taco Bell's or Burger King. Like if you're a military member, you know all the stores that they have in our little eating building or whatever, in our base express. But it's also easy to walk across the street, literally on the way home for me to get food, because that's literally where food is for me at the dining facility. And so I want to make sure that I'm eating at the DFAC. So a lot of times people are like, hey, you want to go and grab? No. I'm eating at the DFAC. I'm going to grab lunch at the DFAC. And so I just feel like if they're taking out my check, okay, come on somebody, I might as well, you know, eat. So if they're getting paid, I'm getting fed. So yes, I do want to eat at the DFAC and maximize how much I eat at the DFAC, because baby girl is not out here paying this $400 for nothing a month. I don't even eat $400 worth of food. That's a lie. But okay, regularly I don't even eat $400 worth of food. Maybe $350, but $400 is a little expensive. Okay, but they be taking out my check, so I'm gonna eat. Okay, so that is my goal number 2. Excuse me, which goes directly into the no spend days. Goal number 3, right? So with the goals and accomplishment that I've had with this, baby girl needs to stay on top of it. So goal number 3 is minimize or no credit card usage. So the reason I put minimize first and then no credit card use afterwards is because I live in a reality, child, and we don't have to live in reality. Because I'm in a whole different country, I'm going to use my credit card to pay for anything and everything, because that way I'm using the bank's money versus my money. Because you know, if you use a debit card, the bank is like, okay, that's your debit card, it's gone. But if you use a credit card, they're really on getting back their money, especially if it's like some fraudulent things or whatever. Yeah, child, they be really snail pacing to get you back your debit card money. But that credit card that coming off of their checkbook before you actually pay them back, oh, they on it. They white on rice. Okay, they did the yolk and the egg. Okay, they in there. They with it. They together. All right. Until you separate them and you ain't paying back, they coming for you. So that's why I say minimize my credit card usage, so that if I child speak, okay, if I do go off base and I'm buying anything at all, I'm using my credit card. But if I'm staying on base, then do not use my credit card at all. This is also part of the no spend days, but again, living in reality, things will happen, and so I will need to buy stuff. And so that's why I say minimize or no credit card use, because yeah. So that is goal number 3. Moving on to goal number 4 for the quarter. And my 4th goal is to restart my savings. Oh no, it's to resave my saving challenges. So if you guys do not know what I'm talking about, then you guys obviously do not know my situation. But for those of you who know, we know. So I do want to resave my saving challenges, because y'all, they have been so good to me. But I also want to make sure that I'm completing the year with a banger, okay, with a bang. So I do want to resave my saving challenges that I do have currently. And this little tap is it's probably because it's windy outside, but it's annoying low key. Y'all may not be hearing it, or y'all may be hearing it, but it's a little rat-a-tat-tat outside and it's annoying. But I digress. So resave my saving challenges, because again, I, you know, move that money to do some great things, and so, you know, it's not as much anymore. And so we would like to just save up to say we on top of things, to, you know, rock the boat, ride the wave, whatever needs to happen to show that we doing well. So I really do want to resave my saving challenges, because even though they do the good thing, y'all, they do the great thing, your girl just loves a saving challenge. Come on now, we just love a saving challenge. So yeah, I do want to resave my saving challenges, and that's why it's number 4. Next is number 5. And so number 5 is something that I have not been like taking seriously, because there's just other things I've been focusing on. And so yes, but number 5 is to contribute to emergency fund. Hold on, y'all, my best friend's calling me. Hold on.
Ooh.
Hey girl.
Ooh, hey girl. What you doing?
Recording my video for next week. Yeah.
What? Tell the kings and queens I said hey.
She said hey.
Oh, wait, it's recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, so I was calling you because this actually...
That was funny, y'all. The way how she disregarded us, she was like... So anyways, the way... Anyways, y'all, let's continue. We got one more after this, but... Contribute to my emergency fund, right? Your girl out here have not been. She has not been contributing the way how she needs to contribute. So for the quarter, which might be in August or September, child, most likely September, we want to start contributing back to the emergency fund. You know, doing the rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat of what our emergency fund was, because we was faithful to her. We was putting money in her all the time, but I fell off. Let's talk about it. I fell off. So yes, let's contribute more. So that is my 5th goal for the 3rd quarter, basically the rest of August and September. And then the last goal that I have is number 6, which is $150 per month for off-base activities. Living in reality again, y'all. So again, or did I say this before? I live on a base where everyone is kumbaya, right? And so 3 majority things that people do together: they drink together, they eat together, or they go on trips together. And so since that is the reality of what I, you know, where I'm at, and I don't want to be excluded from certain stuff, y'all, I am going to go on certain excursions. And then honestly, some of the things I just want to go on because I want to go on them. Like, I want to experience parts of Korea again. You know, I've done that, but I still want to do it again. So $150 per month for activities, I don't think is crazy work. I think, you know, it gives, how do you say it? It's enough for me to be doing some stuff, but not too crazy enough for me to be like, wait a minute, you know? And so, yeah, but I think these 6 goals are actually really good. I think these 6 goals speak to the intent that I have for the month of August and September of what I'm really trying to do, maximizing my time here. And I'm also going to be in school, so this should help with a lot of those things. But yeah, I have these 6 things as my goals for, you know, for the 3rd quarter, and I'm real excited to accomplish them. I'm real excited to go through with all the things. And so your girl out here rocking and riding. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to set up your financial goals, or what are your financial goals, what do you plan to do for the 3rd quarter? Maybe you've already done it, maybe you've already written it down, but child, I don't know about it. So put it in the comments down below, and then let your girl know what's good, what's up, and what are your thoughts. And also, if you have a thought on what I did, child, tell me, what do you think about mine? You feel me? But anyways, I do appreciate you all for watching this video, for subscribing if you have done so. If you have not already done so, go ahead and click the subscribe button, because baby girl, baby boy, get into it. But anyways, thank you guys again. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Aneke, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.